J.D. Power's 2025 U.S. Vehicle Dependability Study sheds light on which brands are most likely to save you from frequent trips to the mechanic. If you're aiming to avoid unexpected repair costs down the road, these 10-car brands could be a smart addition to your shopping list. Kia lands in the 10th spot with 196 problems per 100 vehicles. Known for budget-friendly models, the Kia Forte and Sedona continue to appeal to drivers looking for value and reliability. Mini posted 190 problems per 100 vehicles. These cars stand out for their compact design and distinct styling, and they've earned a reputation for offering a fun driving experience in a small package. BMW reported 189 issues per 100 vehicles. While that's above average, specific models like the 3 Series and 4 Series were standouts, each ranking among the top 3 in their category for compact premium cars. Porsche had 186 issues per 100 vehicles, and its Porsche 718 was named the most dependable model overall. The brand also secured the top spot for premium sporty cars. GMC had 181 problems per 100 vehicles. The GMC Acadia helped boost the brand's score, ranking highest among upper mid-size SUVs. Cadillac tied for 5th with 169 problems per 100 vehicles. The XT6 stood out as the most dependable upper mid-size premium SUV, earning the brand a spot in the top tier. Also at 169 issues per 100 vehicles, Chevrolet tied with Cadillac. High-performing models such as the Corvette and Tahoe helped solidify its position. The Corvette ranked highest among premium sporty cars, while the Tahoe topped the list for large SUVs. Toyota earned a score of 162 problems per 100 vehicles. The Avalon was named the most dependable model overall, and the brand dominated several categories. The Corolla for compact cars, Camry for mid-size cars, RAV4 for compact SUVs, and Tacoma for mid-size pickups. With 161 issues per 100 vehicles, Mazda jumped 4 spots from last year. Popular models include the CX-5 and Mazda 6, which offer a mix of performance, efficiency, and value. Buick climbed to 2nd place with 143 issues per 100 vehicles. Its lineup, which includes the Enclave and Encore, helped it move up from 3rd last year. Like Chevrolet and Cadillac, Buick is part of the General Motors family. Lexus took the top spot with only 140 problems per 100 vehicles. The Lexus ES and RX contributed to its high ranking, and the GX was named the most dependable mid-size premium SUV. When it comes to choosing your next vehicle, reliability can be just as important as the purchase price. The brands on this list earned their spots by consistently performing better than the national average, and that could lead to a more stress-free ownership experience.